Hello everyone, today I have some short video I want to show you because I was making these candles and I forgot to video. So sorry guys. And so I have small clippings though. So today I'm using soy candle wax. And so I go ahead already and I put in my my wick, and I'm using the wooden wick. And so now what I'm doing is I'm just measuring my wax out. I'm also going to be putting up some information for you guys, and this one is just a short one because I forgot to put my camera on to show you how I put the wick in these cans. And this is an 8-ounce, sorry, not an 8-ounce, a 4-ounce can I'm using. And today I'm using peach mango. Smell yummy. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but yeah. And so I also weigh the amount of ounces that I'm going to be putting in. So the reason why I like these wooden wick, it's because when you use it, it gives a crackling sound, if you know what that means. But yeah, it will give that crackling sound like a wood, like you know when you're outside and you make a wood fire, it will give off that sound like, and it just sounds amazing. So give it a stir, the wax a stir. And I'm also using my my thermometer, so I don't know if you can see me using the thermometer, and I'm using it to stir as well because I don't want my wax to overheat it. Then I have to cool it down, so I don't want to wait. So I just use it to stir, and at the same time I can get the reading from it. As you can see, I keep on checking. So hopefully and you can see the steam coming from. So what I'll do with this is I got a pot on the stove already, and then I got my melting, here it is. And so what I'll do is I just put it in there and it go ahead and melt. And as you can see, my thermometer as well, I keep on checking. And then I go ahead and I pour my essential oils in it. I really never use fragrance oil for my candles because I don't know, I don't like using too much fragrance oil. I think it's better for you to just go ahead and then buy the essential oil. So when you finish with the thermometer, just make sure you wipe it off and put it away. For sure you don't want the wax to get hardened on it. So I'm going ahead right now and I'm going to pour, and then after I pour I'm going to give it a few hours to melt, to set, and then I will trim it. And then your wax is, and then your candle is ready. Easy peasy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. So let's go to the next one. Here we are, just short one. I'm just showing you the things that I'm using for these candles today. And I'm also using this. Alright, so here we are. The way I set my camera, guys, it shouldn't be there, but I have no choice because my stove is way over yonder in the corner, and so I have to set up a camera where I am. So just keep watching. I am doing the same concept like I did to the first one. So I'll show you this time how I put the wick inside. I'll try to see if I can get some information up for you guys. You can also use colorant in these ones. You can use mica. You can use any dye you want just to color the wax that you're using. And so every wax come with their own instruction, the eating point of it. So I have the sticker here where I'm going to be sticking in the bottom of these jars, and also they're 4-ounce jars, not 8. And so you can either stick it on the bottom, then stick your wick on it, or you can stick it on the wick and then put it in the bottom. And then also I have these labels on the bottom, warning labels to tell you how to care about the candles and how to protect yourself and so forth. So those are warning labels for the bottom of your jar. So for your candles, the candles set really fast, but you can I always give my candles about 2 weeks to use before. I mean, I have candles that make from last year and they're still looking lovely. I don't think candles ever go expired. Candles will be there forever and ever. And also these come with a cover, so the smell will be still lovely. So you can use any essential oil that you need, guys. It doesn't matter which one There's so much essential oils out there, are so fantastic. So what always you do is you measure your essential oil, weigh it out. And so what if I'm going to do one of these candles? I would use about 8 drops of whatever oil you're using in one of these cans, because again, you don't want to use too much essential oils in it, because I think because it's oil and wax, you don't want it caught fire, right? So I've seen that happen in my countertop already, where too much essential oils or fragrance oil was in the candle and it just caught fire. So again, whenever you're using candles, don't leave it unprotected. And also don't forget that candles have memories. A lot of people don't know that candles have memories. If you light your candles for say an hour, the same place that you blow out the candles from and leave it, if it's one side up and one side down, it's gonna set in the same way. That's why I said candles have memories. So it may sound funny to you, but check your candles out. It stays the same way. It stays the same way that you blow out that candles from, or candle from. So for me, if I know that I'm not going to be using a candle for say 3 or 4 hours, I don't worry to light it, because honestly, I don't want to ruin my candle. So I will just light my candles and leave it. If I know I'm going to be running out and I want a candle to light, I don't worry to do it. I just put on my diffuser, and then when I know I'm home cooking or whatever it is, then that's when I light my candle. I will show you one day how to make a Vicks candle that you can actually leave in your bedroom. Same concept, just you're going to be using the Vicks instead of essential oils. Alright, I'm about to go to another short video again, which I'm gonna
Oh
show
baby,
you
I
again.
love the way you smell.
Hope everyone is having a lovely day. Please take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.